welcome to Zlatan. I want to accomplish as much as possible. I mean, wherever I went, I won. It's no secret. And I played in many clubs, and I played in the best clubs in the world, different countries, and I won. So I'm coming with this objective. I come to win. I want to win. I think it's in my DNA that I'm winning my trophies. It's no luck, no special moment. It's just me. So hopefully I come with this and bring it with me for the next challenge. So it will not change anything. Just different place, but same Zlatan.